Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is GetScreen and Splashtop, to help you decide which of these remote access platform will be a better option for you to use for your business. So to get started, GetScreen is a lightweight browser-based remote access tools that is ideal for quick support section and small teams in 2025. It requires no software installation, just a link and connect in a second. It's easy to use and very affordable, but it lacks more advanced features like remote printing, section recording, or details user management, which might be needed for large IT teams or enterprise use. Splashtop, by contrast, is packed with a professional-grade features. It offers a high-performance remote access with HD quality file transfer, remote printing, multi-monitor support, and a strong security. It's especially popular with IT teams, remote workers, and a school needing a reliable and secure remote connection. Though it may take a slightly longer to set up and comes at a higher price point than a GetScreen. In conclusion, go with GetScreen if you want a fast, no-frills tools for basic remote access. And on the other hand, pick Splashtop if you need advanced features and performance for business or IT use only. And that's it.